What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you how to find SWIFT code of any bank for bank transfers. So you might be looking for a way to find the SWIFT code that you need to use for your bank transfers here. Well, there is a way for you to find your SWIFT code. So how do you find it? So you can actually use an online tool here directly from Wise, by the way, which is something really cool. So what we need to do first is you just need to go to Google here and you want to go and just type in the following keyword, which is going to be find SWIFT code Wise. Now, with that keyword, you should see Wise in here. So you should see BIC/SWIFT code for any bank. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now, the great thing about this tool here is it gives you the option to find a SWIFT code. So as you can see at the right side here, you have a find a SWIFT code option. Now, what you need to do is you just need to provide all the necessary information. So let's just choose a country. Like for example, let's go and choose Philippines as an example. Now from here, you could go and just choose the bank or select a bank here. So let's just say I want to say BPI. Now, from here, it's going to choose the option here says BPI Family Bank, and you can go and choose the city. Like, for example, let's go and choose the city of Baguio. Now, let's go and click on Find SWIFT Code. Now, once you've done that, it's going to start searching for that SWIFT code for your account. So, in this case, by the way, if you scroll down a bit here, you should see how the formatting of a SWIFT code is actually built here. So, yeah, so let's just wait for the result here. But once the result is ready, you should see the code appear in your screen. So you can go and just click on the copy code option here and just use that in whatever way you want. Now, by the way, just make sure that you've chosen the correct bank name when you're searching this one. So if you didn't choose the correct one and didn't choose the correct location, you won't get any result. So make sure your details are correct. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.